Hello everyone, I am Chase at Rocky Mountain ATV MC, giving you a closer look at the UTV mud flaps from Tusk. So I'm sure a lot of you out there have experienced this. You're out having a good time and you're side by side, but from time to time you get some mud, maybe some rocks, dirt, debris that flies into your cab, especially if you don't have any lower doors or full doors installed. So to help prevent that from happening, a great inexpensive route to take are these mud flaps coming from Tusk. So what's great about these, like I said, they're inexpensive and also they install very easily. So what you're gonna do, you're gonna have the instructions come included. They also have all the hardware. You do have to drill a couple holes, but once those holes are drilled, all you're gonna do is just pop in the push rivets, you're gonna be good to go. So they're made from nice, hard, durable plastic. You are gonna have a piece of rubber down here at the end. And when you have them installed, they actually add 6 inches of width at the widest point. And they do a really good job of just knocking down that mud, rocks, debris, whatever it might be. So if you're looking for a way to knock down debris, well, here's your solution. If you guys have any questions about these, you can leave your comments below. We'll get those answered for you. To pick yours up, you can click on the link or head over to RockyMountainATVMC.com. Orders over $75 ship free. If you guys like this product spotlight, we'll make sure to click and subscribe, and that's gonna keep you up to date and in the loop on latest product reviews, how-to videos, and also ride reviews that we're constantly doing at Rocky Mountain. I'm Chase, we'll see you on the trails.